Okay, good morning. So yesterday we stopped at example 2 here. Let us continue with example 3 here. We copy this one. if you look at the table, your critical value should be 0.025, 1.96. So right here. Once you find your critical value, you can find the interval by using the formula. This should be the answer. Alright, this is for 95. This is for 95. The question also there is, just now we did for 95 percentage, now we are doing for 99. For 99, the mean S n is the same thing. Okay, from here onwards, you guys try. Alpha is what? 1 minus 0.99. You will get 0.01 and then proceed from here. The rest, let me know what you get for the interval. Esok test. Jangan lupa nak bawa calculator. Kita tengok besok siapa yang lupa. Mesti ada je lagi orang saya tertinggal, boleh pinjam tak? Jangan lupa, nanti saya remind dalam grup juga. So what do you get? 5.73? 6.57. So far what we did is we did the estimation for sample size is more than 30. Sample size more than 30, and we assume that we know the population standard deviation. Okay, now we are going for example 4 here. Example 4, sample size is less than 30, or standard deviation of population standard deviation is unknown. Now in this case, we won't use Z table. We will use T table. Okay, yang ini kita tak guna sebab dia bukan normal sekarang. More than 30 it is considered normal. Less than 30 we don't use Z table, we're going to use T table here. The table we learned how to read in the previous classes. So the formula is slightly different now. X bar plus minus okay. This notation is actually we have learned before. Okay, this one. So copy this one first. Sometimes they won't give you, if less than 30, less than 30, something like this, they don't give you the mean. So you have to calculate now. How to calculate the mean for this one? Plus all divide by 8. You plus all this, divide by 8. Plus this one, 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 divide by 10. Sorry, not 8, 10. In the calculator, cuba tekan semua ni, campur semua nombor ni, divide by 10. You should get 2560.8. You guys get this one? Right? For standard deviation, you use this formula. S equal to so for standard deviation, later go back and try, okay, this formula. If you use this formula, your standard deviation will be 28.55. You guys have to try this, as sometimes it comes out at test or minus. Your n will be number of sample will be 10. Construct a 98% confidence interval. So 1 minus okay. Now what else we need there? Degree of freedom. Degree of freedom is n minus 1 10 minus 1, this is 9. So T we have 0.01 degree of freedom is not V, what is that? 9. Not V, degree of freedom is 9. If you notice here, 0.01 is here, degree of freedom is 9. For example, 0.01, 9. 2.821. Now use your formula. What was the formula just now? X bar calculate this, let me know what is the interval you get. Two numbers. Your answer should be 253533. You guys 33? Right? Get this? 2586.27. Dapat tadi? Okay. Take a piece of paper, write your name, metric number, date. Okay, you guys, okay, you have to pass up this to me. Example 5, fill up this one first for me. Read the question. Example 5, semua ni isi dulu. Yang ini semua. Mean is 3, standard deviation is 900, n is 12. This one should be 0.05, 0.025. Am I right? This should be 11. So dekat sini you boleh tulis 0.025, 11, and what is your T you get? T. 0.025 is here, 11 is here, this one is 2 point, yeah. According to the formula, write your compute for me the interval. So you should get 2, 6, 29.49, 377317. You guys get this? Dua soalan ini soalan satu sambung Ini example 5 kan? Next one is example 6. Sambung. Ni dah salin? Dah semua? Okay. Example 6 now. You kena hantar saya dua soalan ni example 5 and 6 Okay. Mean, standard deviation, sample size, alpha over 2 So T table 0.01 90 2.53 use your formula 2.02 plus minus you should get this one, Right, these are the two exercises you have to submit to me. After this, you can write as a note. Now, you guys, just want to remind you, what is this actually? What is this? What is this actually? This is whatever interval we are finding is basically what is this? This is an estimation for this is population mean. Basically, we are finding the range for the population mean based on sample info. Masih ingat kita ambil sedikit saja. Dekat sini berapa kita ambil? Kita ambil 20 unit saja untuk anggarkan untuk satu Malaysia. Okay, that's what we are doing. You have to understand that. Based on sample info. What are the info? The info is this one, this one, this one. These are three info. Boleh faham Next one. Okay, ini dah saya dulu. Next, for example, group ni katakan dia orang kerja di company A. Let's say on my left hand side you are working in a company A, on my right hand side you are working in a company B. My question is, next one is, what is the difference between the salary? This is next, next we're going to do. The previous one was 1 mean. The next one is 2 mean. Difference in 2 means. Perbezaan. Okay, katakan ini sebelah company A, ini sebelah company B. What is the difference between maybe your salary? Orang yang kerja dekat company A dengan orang yang kerja company B ni, apa beza salary dia? Contoh je lah, kita nak tengok. Okay. Alright, next. So this is some note I give you here. You can read yourself. If the sample size is greater than 0 or the population standard deviation is known, we use Z table. If less than or unknown, we use T table. Okay, this one you can read on yourself. Now, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more, but we will see how far we can go, maybe 1 or 2. Alright. The formula all will be given in the final exam, so no need to worry. Okay, we just need to worry when to use it. Condition also akan dibagi. Example 7. Let us read together. Example 7. A consumer organization collected data on 2 types of automobile batteries. Ini battery kereta A and B. Both population are normally distributed. Normally distributed means Z table. With standard deviation 1.29 for battery A. So right here 1.29 for battery A and 0.88 for battery B. The summary statistic for 40 observation, 40 for each type. Setiap adalah 40, so 40. average mean for A 32.25. Saling itu. And the other one is 29.81. So sample info ni penting untuk you buat anggaran approximation for the population. What is the confidence interval? 90, which is 0.9. So alpha should be 0.1. By this time you should know how to calculate alpha. What is alpha again? The name of alpha is significant level. Masih ingat significant level? Ni, significant level saya ajar last class. Yang bawah Z ataupun T yang kita baca daripada table tu nama dia apa? Critical value. Penting ni. Ingat. So nanti next chapter is hypothesis. Kita akan gunakan yang ni. Again, what is significant level? Peratus ataupun dia punya proportion, peratus yang kita buat salah. Yang 99 tu kita buat betul. Most probably, that is a percentage, probability, kebarangkalian. Go back to this one. So what is alpha over 2? That should be 0.05 and 0.05. This one previously was, okay, there is some standard thing you can remember. Kalau katakan tadi kita buat apa? Mana Z Sana Z. Nah ni. Kalau 0.025 automatically it is 1.96. Yang 95 dengan 99 ni biasanya dia famous. Okay, so just try to remember. If 95 automatically this is 1.96. If 99 this is automatically 2.58. Just remember that. Apart from that, terpaksalah kita have to go through the table. So ini bukan 99, ini bukan 95, ini apa? 90. So it's 0.05. Go back to the table. Uh, 0.05. Here, you can take this one or this one. I leave it to you. Maybe I will take this one, 1.65. This one also can, because the difference is same, 5 and 5. You can take 1.64 or 1.65. Saya ambil 1.65 so nombor dia cantik. After that, use the formula. What is the formula? This is the formula now. X1 is you press in the calculator, let me know what you get. if you press this in the calculator. You orang macam mana tekan calculator? Semua sekali ke apa? You boleh tekan macam ni, tekan yang ni saja. Tekan yang ni saja, tak apa-apa. Ni saja. Dapat 2.44. Okay, and then maybe press this. If you want to press all, no problem. Tapi kalau tak boleh, press one by one. So press this one. For you to press this one, I think if my calculator I can press all, but I don't know about yours. If you want to do one by one, then you go from inside. Okay, kalau saya akan tekan yang ini dulu, and then I get an answer. So square root of answer, and then multiply by this one. That's how I do. Depends. If you press this one now, you should get 0.4774, and then only you write in 2 decimal place. You better practice all these things. You get this answer. Basically, what is this? So the difference between the difference between population A and B is in between but you can leave the answer like this. This is sufficient. So example 7 is Z. I just put here Z table. Maybe one last one. Why we use Z table? As I mentioned earlier, when we use Z table, when the sample size is greater than 30 or atau population standard deviation is known, atau bukan dua-dua, salah satu. Dekat sini dia punya sample size adalah 40 selebih, so we use Z table. Next one, example 8. Ni dah salin dah semua. Example 8. Example 8 here, I call this as T distribution case 1. Okay, case 1, because in this case this is T distribution because the sample size is less than 30. Okay, dekat sini saya nak bagi tahu dah. In other words, we only use T distribution when the sample size is less than 30. So kalau sample size 30 itu, less than 30 itu, kita gunakan T distribution. T table. Okay. For T distribution, the formula depends on the condition. Okay, these are the first condition. All will be given in the final. Jika if the sample is same for both, but the population variance is not say equal, you use this formula. Okay. If this is the condition, this is the formula. Some more T distribution. The formula would be, this is the formula. Press in the calculator. Let me know what is the answer here. So if you do this, you will get negative 0.2. Did you guys get this? You have two decimal places. So there are three more cases, 2, 3 and 4. I will share the video with you. You can, the method are same. Only the formula is different. The method are same. Alright, so that's all for today. All the best for your test. Jangan tiru, bawa calculator. Alright, take care. Bye bye.